So the next factor that makes up skilled communication is multimodal. An activity in learning that can be considered to be multimodal must include more than one type of communication mode or tools. And more importantly, this combination of modes or tools should be able to send out a stronger message to the reader or to the audience or viewer that are interacting with our product. And so that is why all activities should be able to offer student choices of communication tools in the learning activities. And you may wonder what can be communication tools or modes. So it's quite varied. So as you can see it clearer in the examples in the next slide. Okay, so here we have the advertisement for the 10-week free tutoring program organized by E2 class members. And here we have an extra instruction that the student can use social network, poster, website, leaflets, mail, etc. So you can see that in this example, the teacher can let the student choose among many types of communicative tools in order to conduct their assignment. And the next one, it's also a presentation on the damage in Texas after Harvey storm using visual aids. So you can see here, it also offers a variety of communication tools for students to use. They can use report, newspaper, statistic chart, commentary, and even narration. They can put it in the slides. Okay, so moving on to the next one, supportive evidence. So this is quite familiar with us. So we have been through the process of using evidence during our writing task, during our speaking task, during the first 2 years. So it's quite clear here that supportive evidence is the must when it comes to explaining ideas and support your thesis statement. So with everything that you say or you write down or you present to others, it should be there should be plentiful of evidence, because the point of communication, as we have mentioned before, is to be persuasive. So we need to persuade, convince the person who is interacting with us that we are talking the right thing, we are saying the truth. That is why activities that require students to justify reasons, state their perspective, explaining their logic of something, will be able to help the student build up the skills to use evidence in their project. So example, very familiar, write an essay to explain why art and music are important in education. So the focus here is why. So when the word why appears here, so it means a student have to justify, have to give some kind of evidence in the writing. And next one, for example, write about the main themes appearing in the novel Great Gatsby and give examples to support your idea. So the phrases that shows this is a good activities is that give examples to support your ideas. So you have to give examples, that means evidence to support the themes that you propose in your writing. So that is pretty much about the supportive evidence.